Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to clean up your computer to have more empty space on your hard drive, as well as delete unnecessary files with just a few simple steps. I am working on a Windows 10 laptop, but this trick can be applied to any other Windows computers. Let's look at empty space on my computer first. As you can see here, I have only 6.7 GB empty space on my C hard drive, which I am currently using for programs installation. And the amount of empty space on my D hard drive is about 30 GB. Now I will delete unused files on my C hard drive to get more space for it. What I am going to do is go to the search box of my computer, right at the left corner of the screen, and search for Disk Cleanup. This is a window built-in application which is designed for deleting unnecessary files, cached files as well as other temporary resources on your computer. Let's click it to run the app. Now I can select a hard drive to scan. Let's select my C hard drive. Click OK. In this window, the app will tell you how much space you can get once you run the application. That's not very much space. But, if you click on this button, Clean up System Files, the amount of data you can delete will increase. Select C hard drive again. Now the app will scan your C hard drive, calculate how much space you can delete, including system files on your computer. It will take time, depending on your data. I will speed up this process to save your time. Okay, and here is the amount of empty space you can get after running this application. It's about 3.5 GB unnecessary data you can delete from your computer. Now you can hit OK. Confirm your action. Then wait for the app to finish. And here is how much empty space I got back after finishing my disk cleanup process. You can also do the same steps with your D hard drive and other hard drives on your computer too. That's the end of my tutorial. Thanks very much for watching and I will see you in my next tutorials. Bye for now.